Okay, so the importance of the pressure cleaner nozzles is equally as important as the type of pressure cleaner you buy, the amount of pressure and the flow rate. So when you're cleaning a floor area, concrete floors, driveways, etc., footpaths, there are different nozzles that the machines come with. They have a variable nozzle like this, which sprays out your foam suds, and you can adjust the pressure. This should only be used for cleaning down, let's say, walls, for example, or furniture, or cars. So these things are not made for cleaning concrete. You will not get the maximum pressure out of your pressure cleaner with them, and what's going to happen is it's going to take a very, very long time to clean a driveway, which is going to overheat your machine and it'll shorten its life dramatically. So in most cases, you know, if you run a pressure wash under $1,000 for more than 2 hours, for example, in one go with one of these, because it takes 2 hours to clean a driveway, you're going to kill that machine or reduce its life dramatically. So most machines come with, or you can buy a turbo nozzle. This is a professional grade turbo nozzle. Essentially, it's a single jet, so you're going to get 100% of the power, or as close to the maximum PSI. Only with this nozzle. You'll not get maximum PSI with the variable nozzle. And what's going to happen is it's going to spin and it'll clean a larger area in one pass, so which is great. You're going to get a better clean overall. But again, this will take a long time to clean the whole driveway or the whole footpath. So what's crucial is for any brand, regardless of where you buy from or what kind of brand it is, petrol, electric, gurneys, Kerricks, Karshers, etc. It's a surface cleaner like this. So you have two nozzles which rotate with the force of the flow of the water coming through. And this will dramatically cut back the amount of time taken to clean the floor area. So let's say, for example, with turbo nozzle, it'll take 2 hours to clean one driveway. With this here, it should take you under an hour, so almost half, possibly even less, depends on how often you have to do it. So we'll just do a quick demonstration here. We're just looking at a machine at the moment, so we're going to test it out. This is the turbo nozzle. I'm going to turn the machine on. So that's your turbo. So this is about an 1800 PSI machine with about 7.5 liters per minute flow rate, but it's a professional grade with a professional grade turbo nozzle. It's far more efficient than a lot of your domestic machines. So the rotating brush spinner. What happens is you end up stooping over, so you're bending over most of the time, so you end up doing this, your back hurts, your neck hurts, and you get these overlapping lines, you know, sometimes which you have to come back over again. Obviously the faster you go, the less efficient it is. If you bring it out too far, it won't be as efficient, not as efficient. Too close, may damage the surface, or it'll just take too long. So you have to get that sweet spot when the noise changes. So that'll do a really, really good job. Very, very thorough. So what we'll do is we're going to take this turbo nozzle off. Now we'll put the spinner on. So the difference is you have a nice long extension handle like this, back straight. So I'll just wash that off now. You can see the results. Not only are you saving your own body from physical stress, you're actually doing a superior job in less than half the amount of time. The pressure cleaner will last longer. It'll thank you for it. And of course, if you want to get up close to the edge, get right up to the very, very corners, that's when you're going to have to tidy things up with your turbo nozzle or other accessories, etc. The slower you go, the more efficient you're going to get. The clean or the actual results will be far superior. So super critical to get a surface cleaner with any pressure cleaner you buy. You can purchase them for any existing pressure cleaner.